Hey guys, it's Jill here from Lavender and Friends, your source of sensual education and inspiration. My loyalty rewards program order actually came last week, but with the excitement of BOGO, I didn't want to overwhelm you guys with too much information, too many videos, so I thought I would wait and do my LRP unboxing today. So for those of you who are maybe new to doTERRA, one of the perks of having your own account is that you can actually activate the Loyalty Rewards Program, which is the LRP. Now, when you have your own account, you get an automatic 25% discount off retail price. You get ongoing training, education, support, and you can activate your LRP. Now, the LRP is an amazing program. It's basically a fully customizable subscription box. Every month, you put together what you want to receive, it ships straight to your door, and your cart then resets for the following month. Now, why is the LRP such amazing value? Why do people love it so much? And the reason is, in doTERRA, every product has a dollar value and a point value, PV. Now, when you're purchasing your products, you can actually pay with either money or commissions from hosting a class, teaching others about oils, or you can actually pay with points. And the way you earn those points is by activating your loyalty rewards program. Now, the way the point system works is pretty darn generous in my opinion. To start with, every loyalty reward program order you have, you actually receive your shipping back as points. So if you spend $8 on shipping, you're going to get 8 points back. Every order, no matter how big or small. On top of that, if your order value is more than 50 points, so say you get a bottle of Balance, which is like 25 points, and you get a bottle of Aromatouch, which is like 25 as well, that's over 50 points, you will then also earn a percentage of your order back as points. Now, to begin with, you'll start generally on 10% back. That means if you do a 50-point order, you're going to get your 8 shipping points for your $8 spent on shipping, plus you'll get 10% back, which is another 5 points. So all up, you're going to get 12 points back. Now, after 3 monthly LRP orders over 50 points, doesn't have to be consecutive, just got to do 3 of them, you'll then increase your percentage from 10% back to 15% back. After another 3 monthly LRP orders over 50 PB, you'll go from 15%, then 20%, 25%, and then eventually you'll be on 30% back. So when you're on 30% back, what that looks like is, first of all, you'll get your shipping back as points, which if you spend $8 on shipping, that's 8 points back. Then you'll get 30% back of your order. So say you spent I'm going to be really bad at math here. Say you did 100 PV order. You get your 8 shipping points, plus you would get 30 points back because that is 30%. You get 38 points back off a 100-point order. Now, you can then save these points, you can store them up, you can build them up, and you can use them to buy maybe more expensive oils. The only thing you got to bear in mind is they do expire after 12 months. Now, occasionally doTERRA will do little promos where you can earn bonus points. So for example, they've done enroll a friend and your friend gets 50 points and you get 50 points. Or if you enroll someone, if you enroll and then the next month you do a 100-point order, you'll get a bonus 100 points. So whenever you do decide to join up, chat with your enroller and they'll let you know of any specials that are on or any bonus points you can earn. So, besides earning points, there's another way the Loyalty Rewards program is super generous, and that is by having a product of the month. So every single month, there is a free product you receive if your order is over 125 points and it's before the 15th of the month. So I'll share a little bit about this product of the month when I open my box. You'll get to see what's inside. And from time to time, they do have 200-point promos or different promos where if your LRP is over a certain amount, you get free stuff. So again, make sure you're liking and following my page, and that way I'll keep you up to date with all the goodies. All right, let's jump in, have a look, and see what is inside. Okay. Put this down so I'm not flapping around. First thing that's in my box, which is pretty much most months, is my Loyalty Rewards, is my Lifelong Vitality Pack. LLV, LRP, so many L's and acronyms. All right, so this is the Lifelong Vitality Pack, and this is something that I absolutely love. It is a supplement, and if you know me, you'll know I was pretty anti-supplements for a while, but honestly, these make such a massive difference. It's 3 pills. You take them twice a day. So you take 2 pills morning, 2 pills afternoon or evening, and they really do help the oils to work better because they help us to make sure that we've got the right vitamins, nutrients, minerals, all those good things in our body so the oils can then come in and help make a big difference. Now, they do come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not sure, give them a try. Now, heads up, guys, this is my super awesome high-techy reminder system to take my LLV. I got this for $2 from Kohl's. Now, I got it last year, and I know a lot of people were asking me about it, but the good news is it's back. So if you head to Kohl's, if you go to like the section where they always put like the Mother's Day gifts and the Valentine's Day gifts, like the seasonal stuff, these are back in. They're $2, and they're perfect because you've got morning and night every day of the week. Super easy to keep track of when you've had your pills, when you need to take them. So thing I like about it, Sunday night, I just fill it all up, good to go. Put it next to, I put it in the cupboard next to my breakfast cereal, so that way, got to get my breakfast out, remember to take it. I'm all about making it super easy. So yes, definitely grab one of them from Kohl's. Okay, who else loves the LLVs? Anyone else used it, tried it? I'd love to hear how you guys enjoyed it. Now, next up we have, oh thank goodness, because I was running out, juniper berry. Now, juniper berry is a pretty cool little oil. And the reason that I absolutely love it is I am an incredibly vivid dreamer. I'm actually a lucid dreamer where I know when I'm dreaming. Kind of fun sometimes if you like flying or like doing crazy stuff. But unfortunately, the flip side is I do get quite bad nightmares. My daughter also gets night terrors as well. It's something I've had ever since I was a little child. If you've ever watched the movie Inception, it's kind of like that. So basically, I discovered juniper berry is amazing because one of my favorite oils to use at bedtime is vetiver. Vetiver is super calming, super relaxing. Honestly, it really does help me to get a good night's sleep, to just fall asleep really easily. The flip side is vetiver does tend to promote some pretty crazy, wacky dreams. Now, vetiver is also included in the lavender peace, which is the Wrestle blend, which again, if you've watched my videos for a while, you'll know how much I love lavender peace at bedtime. What I found is I can counteract that with 1 drop of juniper berry. So for every drop of lavender peace or vetiver, if I do 1 drop of juniper berry, it helps me to have the most beautiful, sweet dreams. So definitely what I recommend if you're maybe struggling with that. It's also used as a skin toner. A lot of people use it to help with skin toning. And even though it's juniper berry, it actually has quite a woodsy smell. So it's one I really love to diffuse. It's quite nice. Next up, we have our classic good old lavender. Ah, goodness, what don't we use lavender for in this house? Lavender is super calming. It's calming, it's relaxing, it's soothing. We use it for helping with sleep support, for bedtime. We use it if there's a bit of, skin abrasion, skin upset, anything that needs soothing, we crack out the lavender. I love diffusing it actually in the morning with lemongrass. I find it's a really beautiful way to start the day. You've got the lavender that helps everyone just to kind of ease into the day, and then we've got our lemongrass, which is nice and uplifting. You can cook with lavender as well. I love adding it to recipes, and it's just such a versatile, good all-rounder oil. Next up, we have our grapefruit. Now, grapefruit is a funny oil, and I've told this story a few times, so I apologize if you've heard it before. I used to always try and eat grapefruit. My sister's a ballerina, my mum eats grapefruit every morning, and I used to try to eat grapefruit because that's what ballerinas eat, and I just don't like grapefruit. Tried, could never quite like it, just didn't like the taste. Now, when I enrolled in doTERRA, the free oil I got for enrolling was actually grapefruit, and I was like, it's a bit lame. I don't like grapefruit, like I'm not gonna like the oil. And I didn't open it for a while. And then I started to open it, and I absolutely love the smell of it. Like, it is just, to me, it's divine. It's citrus, it's joyful, it's just so beautiful. Hey! Ah yes, Alyssa, we do vetiver on the big toe too. Great for sleeping. So started using grapefruit. Now, one of the cool things about grapefruit is it's actually a really good oil for helping support healthy weight management. And at the time, around about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I used to get the munchies. I had small kids, dinner wasn't until 5, I was tired, I was run down, I would eat chocolate. And when I started using the grapefruit oil, I found I didn't actually have those chocolate cravings. I didn't have those sweet cravings. So the only change I made to my lifestyle was I started putting grapefruit in my water and drinking it throughout the day. But because I was doing that, I actually started reducing the amount of crap food I was eating, and I ended up losing weight, which was an awesome side effect that I wasn't expecting. But that's the thing with the oils, they're not going to do the work for you. If I had kept eating chocolate every day and been drinking my grapefruit, really wouldn't have done much. But the grapefruit supported me in making those healthy choices that then enabled me to lose the weight. So if you're maybe struggling with cravings, another one is addictions, people who have maybe addictive personalities, grapefruit can be a really powerful oil because emotionally it's about honoring your body. And if you're honoring your body, you want to care for your body, you want to love your body, you don't want to fill it up with crappy, bad choices. So it's a very, very powerful oil. It smells gorgeous. And if you don't like actual grapefruit, give grapefruit oil a go. You might be pleasantly surprised. So grapefruit. And then this was a big order, guys. Sometimes my orders are like huge. This one was really small. Finally, we have our free product of the month, which is called Summer Savory. Not going to lie, never heard of this one in my life. Legit, had no clue what Summer Savory was. I knew it was in, I think, DDR, but I actually didn't know what it was. Apparently it's a herb, sort of like marjoram and thyme and oregano. Now, it's actually a pretty cool herb, and one of the things that I'm really excited about is it's very good at supporting our immune system. Now, oregano is a pretty big powerhouse, packs a big punch, but the flip side is it can be a bit overwhelming and a bit intense. Usually I'll often substitute my oregano with thyme if I'm, making up a roller bowl for immune support. Summer Savory is another great option. It's another one we can be using. And look, we all love the smell of On Guard. We love it. I love it, but we've had the same oil diffusing for like 2 weeks straight. You can get a little bit over it. And that's why I love when we have these extra oils that we can be substituting that have slightly different chemical properties or can have slightly different benefits, a bit of a different aroma, and they can help us just to kind of mix it all up together. Now, Tanya just asked a good question. Are you supposed to digest oils? With regards to oils, we can use them 3 different ways. So we can use them aromatically, so to inhale the aroma with a diffuser or smelling it. We can apply them topically, and when we apply them topically, we do want to be mindful of dilution. And a third way that some essential oils can be using is as a food additive. Now, in terms of that, it does depend on the oil. Not all oils can be taken that way, so always want to read the labels. And if it's not something you feel comfortable doing, that's cool. You can still diffuse the oils, you can still use them topically, you'll still get those benefits. So if you are wanting to use oils as a food additive, I really recommend that you read the labels, read the product information pages. So if you just Google doTERRA PIPs, PIP, product information pages, you can actually download a page for every single bottle of oil they have, and it'll have all the information about whether you can use it, how to use it, all that information. So hope that helps. All right, that's it. Like I said, super quick video tonight. If you do want some help setting up your LRP program, if you haven't yet activated and you're in my team, send me a message. I can talk you through it, or just jump into our members only FAQ group, read post number 2. It's got step-by-step details. If you are watching this and thinking, hey, I want to get some oils, these sound awesome, definitely shoot me a message. I can help you get started, or you can just jump straight onto my website, which is www.lavenderandfriends.com. We do have payment plans available. We are partnered with Hum, so if that's something you need, you can definitely take advantage of that. Otherwise, hope you guys have a lovely start to your week. Cheers!